How much should you actually spend on a kayak rack for your truck? Some people are thrilled with the budget options, while others end up disappointed by pricier models. It's a bit of a puzzle, but I'm here to help you figure it out. Product number 1, Maxhaul Bed Extender. First up is the Maxhaul 70231 Hitch Mount Truck Bed Extender. At $62.99, this product caught my eye because it can carry long items like kayaks easily. If you want to transport oversized loads without stress, this is worth a serious look. This extender adds crucial length to your truck bed, accommodating loads up to 750 pounds. That means whether it's kayaks, ladders, or even lumber, you won't have to worry about anything hanging off the back. The adjustable width and height features mean you can customize it based on your truck and cargo, which is super handy. Plus, with its quick-release pins, it's easy to set up and take down without needing tools, making it user-friendly for anyone. Now, some users have mentioned that the assembly wasn't as straightforward as they hoped. I get that. Fiddling with parts can be a hassle. But honestly, once you have it figured out, the versatility and strength make this a solid choice for anyone needing that extra space. This is perfect for you if you regularly transport larger items, but skip this one if you're just looking to carry 1 or 2 small kayaks. For the price, it really delivers on value. Alright, that was a solid option. But if you need something more specialized for your kayaks, the next one on my list might actually be even better. Product number 2, Peripera J-Bar Carrier. Next up is the Peripera Kayak Roof Rack, priced at $57.98. The J-Bar design immediately grabbed my attention. If you're looking for an easy way to transport multiple kayaks, this is worth considering. This rack can hold up to 150 pounds and fits 2 kayaks, making it a great option for families or friends who kayak together. The wide-mouth J-Bar design makes loading and unloading a breeze, which is honestly a game-changer when you're at the water's edge. Plus, the protective padding ensures your kayaks are safe during transport, so you won't have to worry about scratches or damage. It comes with tie-down straps and fits a variety of vehicle types, so it's quite adaptable. However, some users found that the installation process could be a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, once you get it set up, the ease of use and the way it secures your kayaks makes it worth the initial hassle. This is perfect for you if you frequently paddle with friends or family, but if you only kayak solo, you might want to consider a simpler solution. For a reliable dual kayak carrier at this price, it's a solid investment. Now, if installation difficulty is a major concern for you, the next product takes a different approach that might suit you better. Product number 3, Bonlo Kayak Cart. The Bonlo Kayak Cart is next, priced at $49.99. What struck me about this cart is its portability. If you're tired of lugging your kayak from the truck to the water, this is definitely worth a look. With a weight limit of 200 pounds, this cart is made from sturdy materials, ensuring it can handle various kayak sizes. The solid airless tires mean you won't deal with flat tires, and they roll smoothly over sand, grass, and rough terrain, making it perfect for beach trips. Plus, it easily folds down for transport, so you won't have to sacrifice space in your vehicle. It also comes with ratchet straps to secure your kayak, which is a nice touch to prevent slippage. The downside? Some customers mentioned that it can be a bit wobbly on uneven surfaces. But honestly, if you're careful with where you're rolling, it performs excellently. The convenience it offers for transporting kayaks makes it a worthwhile accessory. This is perfect for you if you frequently kayak at different locations, but skip it if you only paddle close to your vehicle. For under $50, it's a handy tool to have. Now, if you want something that also serves as a bed extender, wait until you hear about the next one. Product number 4, Machins Hitch Extender. The Machins 750 pounds capacity truck bed extender is up next, priced at $119.99. This caught my attention because of its heavy-duty capability. If you need a versatile solution for large cargo, take a closer look. This extender can add up to 4 feet of space, and with its 750 pounds limit, it can support everything from kayaks to lumber. The adjustable design means it can fit various truck models, making it adaptable for different uses. It also comes with a hitch stabilizer to reduce sway during transport, which is crucial for safety. Plus, The quick release feature makes it easy to set up and remove without tools, which I appreciate. However, some reviews mention that it can feel bulky when not in use. That said, the overall functionality for transporting larger items really makes up for that drawback. This is perfect for you if you regularly haul large items or tools alongside your kayaks, but skip it if you're only transporting smaller gear. For the functionality it provides, it's a smart investment for serious outdoor enthusiasts. Now, if you're looking for something more compact, the final product on my list could be just what you need. Product number 5, Leader Accessories Roof Rack. Last but not least, we have the Leader Accessories Folding Kayak Roof Rack, available for $129.99. What stands out here is its heavy-duty construction. If you're serious about durability and ease of use, this one might catch your eye. With a capacity of 150 pounds and a foldable design, it's made from thick steel that's resistant to rust, which is essential for long-term use. The ergonomic design allows it to be folded flat when not in use, so you won't have to worry about clearance in your garage. Plus, it includes foam padding to protect your kayak from scratches, which is something every kayak owner can appreciate. One downside some users reported is that the installation can take a bit longer than expected. But I'll be real with you. Once it's set up, the benefits of having a quality roof rack far outweigh that minor inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you have multiple kayaks or use various watercrafts, but skip this if you're looking for a simple, one-time use setup. Considering the build quality and versatility, it's a solid value. Now let's wrap this all up. So, to sum it all up, the Max Haul is great for those needing extra bed space. The Peripera offers a fantastic dual kayak transport option. Bonlo is perfect for easy movement from car to water. Mach-In serves heavy-duty needs well, and Leader Accessories provides durability and functionality. Each has its strengths, so think about what fits your needs best. Happy kayaking!